Tom Skilling. I'm Grace, President of the Week of the 4th grade class of Westlake Christian Academy. We have been learning about weather and how God made it for a purpose, and I wanted to share it with you because you've been a meteorologist longer than we've been alive, and you're about to retire. We're also having tryouts to find your replacement. I hope you like our video.
Hi, Mr. Skilling. I'm Luke here with Grant and Miles, and we're here to tell you about the zones of the Earth.
I'm Miles, and there are 3 zones of the Earth.
I'm Grant. There's only 4 regions: temperate zones, and the tropics or the tropical zones.
Oh, closest to the equator are the tropics, farther away are the temperate zones, and farthest away are the polar regions.
The temperate zones have 4 seasons. They are spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Tropical zones are warm and humid because they are close to the equator.
Polar regions are cold because they're farthest away from the equator.
God made order in the zones.
The order starts with the polar regions on the outside, then it goes into the temperate zones, and then it goes into the tropics.
God's provision is wonderful!
Hi, Mr. Skilling. My group is going to talk about the atmosphere. I'm Lorena, and I'm going to teach you about the troposphere. The troposphere is the first layer of the atmosphere. It is 7 miles high. People live in this layer. Planes fly in this layer, so do birds. All of the Earth's clouds are in this layer. It does not go into the stratosphere. It contains most of the atmosphere's gases. It is where Earth's weather happens. When the altitude increases, the temperature decreases.
Hi, Mr. Skilling. My name is Olivia, and I'm going to talk to you about the second layer of the atmosphere, the stratosphere, which is right above the troposphere. The stratosphere is 30 miles high. When the altitude increases,
It's okay, keep going.
the temperature increases with more altitude. The reason this happens is because of the ozone layer. The ozone layer absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun, making the temperature warmer.
Hi, Mr. Skilling. I'm Sophia, and I'm going to talk to you about the mesosphere. The mesosphere burns up meteorites so that they don't hit the Earth. The mesosphere is about 50 miles high. It's the coldest layer of the atmosphere because it has very few gas molecules. The thermosphere is the 4th layer of the atmosphere. The air is very thin, and the temperature can reach up to 3,272 Fahrenheit. The reason why the temperature is really hot is because the sun reaches this layer first. You will not feel hot because the molecules are far away from each other. Outer space is right above this layer.
Thank you for listening to our talk about the atmosphere.
Hello, Mr. Skilling. My name's Olivia, and we're going to talk about climate and wind. Climate is the pattern of weather over a long period of time.
Hi, my name is Ari, and the climate here in Illinois is temperate.
Hi, I'm Jay, and the higher you get, the colder it will be.
Hi, I'm Charlie. The lower it gets, the warmer it's going to be.
Because altitude affects the climate. Now we will talk about wind and how it provides.
Wind is the movement of air caused by the uneven heating of the Earth by the sun.
Wind provides by pushing clouds to land that needs water. Let's demonstrate.
I'm a cloud. Oh, come on, man. Why am I going so slow? I thought my exit would be cooler than this. Hi, Mr. Skilling. I am Claudia,
Margot,
Eliza,
and Grace.
We're going to talk about the 4 main clouds, including
Stratus,
Nimbus, cumulus,
and cirrus. In fact,
the only cloud made of ice crystals, and that makes it white, and could go into any shape or size.
The cumulonimbus cloud is the only cloud that can produce hail, thunder, and lightning.
Cumulus clouds spot good and fair weather.
Stratus clouds are formed when two air masses cool, also known as fog or mist. They are the lowest forming clouds.
Isn't it amazing that God made clouds?
Yeah, because without rain we wouldn't have food, and without food we wouldn't be able to stay alive.
Now let's talk about thunder.
This is how thunder occurs.
First, warm, moist air is forced upwards, forming a cumulus cloud.
Second, the warm air meets very cold air in middle levels of the atmosphere.
Then the two air masses bump into each other, creating thunder and lightning. We're going to demonstrate. Boom!
Step 3. Eventually, the warm, moist air condenses, and the rain and storms, they die out.
Isn't it amazing how God made thunder?
Yeah, it's so unique. I wouldn't even have thought about making thunder. Thank you, Mr. Skilling.
Hello, Mr. Skilling. I'm Eden.
And I'm Ethan.
Today we are going to be showing you what weather symbols mean and what they look like. This is an example of a weather forecast which tells you what the temperature might be and what the weather symbol is on there. So it might be sunny on one day and cloudy on the other. And these are weather symbols. So it tells you what this one is a sun, and so that means that it is sunny. There's a cloud, that means that it will be cloudy.
This symbol is partly cloudy, which means there'll be a sun and a cloud. This symbol is a sun, which means it'll be sunny outside. This symbol is a cloud, which means it'll be cloudy outside. This symbol is a thunderstorm, which means there'll be rain, thunder, and gray clouds.
These are warm front and a cold front. A warm front is when warm air glides on top of cold air, and a cold front is when cold air cuts through warm air. A warm front is usually a line with half circles that is usually red, and a cold front is normally a line with triangles that is normally blue.
Now we are transferring to Michael on location. Thank you for listening.
Hi, Tom Skilling. My name is Leona, and my team and I are going to teach you about the water cycle.
I'm Aubrey.
I'm Xavier.
And I'm Benji.
The water cycle is evaporation, condensation, and precipitation.
This
Cycle keeps on repeating. Hey, God was the first to recycle.
I'm going to teach you about the water cycle. Precipitation is a form of water that falls from the atmosphere to the earth. Condensation is the change of gas to a liquid. Evaporation occurs when the sun heats the surface of the water, changing it into a gas. Transpiration is the evaporation of excess water from a plant.
Hi, I'm going to be teaching you some water cycle words. Surface water, the water that can be seen on the surface of the earth. Groundwater, the water within the earth.
The water cycle does more than provide water for our earth. Firstly, the water cycle helps regulate the temperature of the area. The chemicals we use also affect the water cycle too.
Hi,
I'm going to be teaching you about the three different forms of precipitation. First, we have rain. Rain is water that has evaporated into a cloud. Then we have sleet. Sleet is a rainstorm, but it's almost frozen. And then we have snow. Snow is tiny specks of dust and frozen water that falls down to the earth.
Remember the three forms of precipitation: rain, sleet, and snow.
Oh wait, I had.
Hi, Mr. Skilling. Michael reporting live from Disney Springs, sunny Florida. Today, we will be expecting a high of 73 and a low of 58. Today is a really good day for going to the beach or jumping in the pool. Back to you.
Tom Skilling Tryouts today. Let's go. First up.
In our lovely state of Chicago, we have some...
I'm so sorry. It's not the state of Chicago. Next. Words. I'm so sorry. Next.
Today we're going to be talking about the Los Angeles Lakers.
Los Angeles Lakers. This is the weather. Next.
Oh, today it is very cold inside of Tampa, Florida.
Tampa, Florida. We're in Chicago. Next.
Ugh. Today in England it's negative.
England. Next.
Today.
No, we need some energy. Next.
Today here in Texas, Ohio, Zimbabwe.
Next. I don't even do with that one. Next.
Hi.
Weather.
What?
Next.
Like night today in Australia.
Australia. We're in Illinois. Next.
So sorry. Hi. We're gonna talk about weather.
Next.
I'm Tom Skilling, and I'm going to teach you how to make a pizza.
Next.
My name is Tom Skilling, and I'm here to report the weather in Wisconsin.
Wisconsin. Next.
Hello, today we were going to talk about the weather in Spain.
Spain.
Hola.
Next. Yes. No, that's not working. Next.
I'm Tom Skilling.
Something's just not right. Next.
Welcome to WGN and Channel 9 News. I'm Tom Skilling, and today we're talking about who won the Super Bowl.
Next.
Hello, my name's Tom Skilling, and I'm an amazing weather woman.
Oh, slow down. Next.
Hiya, my name's Tom Skilling, and in Canada there's 2 million degrees.
Canada. Next.
Hello, my name is Tom Skilling, and here in Florida we have a low of 17 and a high.
Florida. I'm sorry, we're in
and a
Illinois.
high of 3
Keep going.
degrees.
Thank you. Yes. Okay, next. Next.
Sup, dog? Today we're going to talk about weather.
Oh, I don't think that's going to work. Next.
No matter how hard we try, there's only one Tom Skilling.
Are you Tom Skilling? Are you Tom Skilling? Are you Tom Skilling? Are you Tom Skilling? Wait! There really is only one Tom Skilling.
And that's you!